Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are off to IKEA to check out their Christmas section. IKEA is one of my favorite places to shop at because of the affordable pricing. If you haven't already, make sure you join the IKEA family loyalty program for updated deals and promotions. So today we are not going to be going up to the showroom. How many of you guys know that there's actually a shortcut that leads you directly to the market hall downstairs? Don't forget to check out this map as there are shortcuts that you can take throughout the market hall. In the market hall, you'll find numerous Christmas displays featuring their newest items. It's often nice to see IKEA style their products using a combination of popular year-round items with their seasonal items. This year, IKEA is using Winter 2021 for most of their Christmas items. However, you will still find some Winter 2020 items in stock, such as this pack of 6 bows for $3.99. Welcome to Doro Finds Deal Corner for this week. So between now and October 31st, IKEA has 20% off all Corkin jars. This is such a good deal, and it's even a better deal as IKEA Richmond is fully restocked. I would highly recommend these jars for your kitchen or pantry organizational needs. There are actually a lot of gift wrapping options here at IKEA as well, ranging from ribbons, gift bags, wrapping paper, you name it. And these ones here kind of look like placemats, but they are actually a set of 3 jute gift bags. These Christmas tapes are super cute. A pack of 3 for $2.49. And these are 2 Christmas tree gift boxes for $6.99, and these are 2 heart boxes for $4.99. Here's another example of IKEA using their popular item mixed with their Christmas item. This inner cushion insert is only $8, and you can change it up every season by just switching out the covers. If you're looking for a new doormat for Christmas, this red ribbon one's pretty cute for only $14.99. lots and lots of candle and tea light options here at IKEA. This pack of 30 white ones are $2.49, and this pack of multi-green is $4.99 for 30. If you haven't noticed already, gnomes are a pretty popular Christmas product here at IKEA. And we have the larger size green and red gnomes here for $9.99 each. And we have smaller ones for $5.99. We also have a large selection of artificial plants and trees here at IKEA. This one here is smaller, it's $14.99. And for only $1.99, you can place them into these red buckets here for this kind of look. And here we have some larger artificial poinsettias for $6.99 and some smaller ones for $1.49. I think they'll be great decor for the dining table. And quite a few wreath options here as well. This larger one is $8.99. And this one is super cute as well. I believe it is the last one, but it's only $3.99. Right before checkout, I like to visit the as-is section to see what type of hidden gems I can find. And also, don't forget your $1 hot dog right after checkout. If you ever forget to grab some food items before checkout, make sure you visit the food market before exiting. I hope you enjoy coming along shopping with me at IKEA. If you like this type of content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!